Monday, March 7th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I am meteorologist Matthew East here with you. We did have that pretty significant storm system roll through this weekend. Some severe weather over in the eastern parts of the region. Most folks did indeed get a good soaking rain. Many spots over an inch of rain. Some areas more than that when you got into the mountains and the foothills. And still some residual flood issues in a couple spots this morning. Let's first of all talk about the severe weather. There's the compilation of the reports. Everything was in eastern Virginia and eastern North Carolina. Even a couple tornado reports in North Carolina yesterday. Some wind damage occurred as well as the storms strengthened a bit as they got into a little bit more instability in eastern parts of the region. Now this morning, the system is off well to the north of us, up into the northeastern part of the country. A lot of winter storm products up that way. And still some residual flood warnings in effect for a couple spots here across the region as a whole, including along the Yadkin River. Still some flooding issues, a possibility near the Yadkin River today. Let's go to the radar right now, though. There goes the previous system. Let me see if I can draw this. Everything north of, roughly there is some type of wintry precip, snow in the northwestern area of that, some of it quite heavy, and kind of a nasty area of a wintry mix before you get into all rain closer to the coast. And already precipitation breaking out with our next system back in the nation's midsection. Now, a lot of sunshine's on tap today. The sky clear this morning in most spots. By the way, the mountains picked up some snow yesterday, a couple of inches in a number of spots. And it's pretty cold. A lot of mountain temperatures in the highest spots in the teens this morning. Now we'll see sunshine today, Piedmont highs in the 50s. This is the overall setup for us. There's the next system beginning to dig into the desert southwest and low pressure forming well out ahead of that. Look what happens here as we get into Wednesday morning. This is 7 a.m. Wednesday. Pretty good disturbance rolling through the nation's midsection. And that pulls into our region then by Wednesday night and Thursday. This is Thursday morning at 1 a.m. Let's go to the GFS, and I'll show you a couple of the other models here. This is the GFS for today. Again, Piedmont highs 50s to maybe clipping 60 in a couple spots. Lots of sunshine. Tomorrow, we'll begin to see some mid and high-level clouds streaming well out ahead of this developing storm system. Low pressure over Oklahoma. Some clouds fanning out in our region out ahead of that. Rain and storms breaking out back in the Mississippi River Valley. And there is the day 2 convective outlook, a pretty good slight risk from eastern parts of Oklahoma, northeast Texas, all of Arkansas, all of Louisiana, and western Mississippi. Wouldn't be completely shocked if some area popped up to a moderate in there. We'll see. And then there's the day 3 outlook for Wednesday. Pretty much all of Alabama, Mississippi, much of Louisiana, southeastern parts of Arkansas, southwestern Tennessee, and the Florida Panhandle, and that slight risk for Wednesday and Wednesday afternoon. And there's the reason why. That area of showers and storms races eastward. And I believe here in the Piedmont of the Carolinas, we'll begin to see the rain spread in here during the day Wednesday. And then the rain opportunities will continue Wednesday night. This is the precip from 1 a.m. to 7 a.m. Thursday. GFS is, again, a little quicker than some of the other modeling. Let me show you the Canadian. This is 7 p.m. Wednesday. There is a precip from 7 p.m. Wednesday to 7 a.m. Thursday, and then there's 7 a.m. Thursday to 7 p.m. Thursday with the Canadian model. Okay, let's go to the European. These are 6-hour precip intervals here. This is during the day Tuesday. The showers and storms breaking out around the Mississippi River Valley. Go out to the precip through the early morning hours Wednesday, and then through the daylight hours Wednesday, you see the rain spreading in from the west into our region. So I'm going to mention the chance of some showers Wednesday and keep that chance of rain going Wednesday night into Thursday morning. That's Thursday morning on the European. And again, it's another one of these high shear, low cape environments, so there could be some severe weather again somewhere across the region. You have to watch maybe a retreating wedge front for a possibility of some severe weather also. And you get into the eastern parts of the region, the atmosphere overall just a little more unstable Thursday, so we'll have to keep an eye on that area as well. And looks like a pretty good rain event once again. This is what the HPC is putting out for the 5-day storm total here from now until Friday evening. And you're looking at, again, a pretty good rain event. We could see many spots, again, over 3/4 of an inch or an inch of rain. So Now, this is all good news. You don't need the flooding issues, but we could definitely use these rains here to kind of recharge all the water tables across the region. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a great Monday, and God bless.